Soil requirements. Can be grown on a wide range of soils, best being fertile and deep soils. Land preparation. The following land preparation steps are done: ploughing, disc harrowing, rolling to a fine tilth, fertilizer application. Apply compound D before or at ploughing period. Apply as a guide 450 kg per hectare, 9 by 50 kg bags. Apply 2/3 of nitrogen as top dressing 4 to 6 weeks after germination. As a guide 100 kg per hectare, i.e. 2 by 50 kg bags, ammonium nitrate. Planting time. Done after mid-November or earlier, that is in October. Plant between November 15th to December 25th. Spacing. 0.9 m x 0.23 m for long-season varieties and 0.9 m x 200 mm/300 m short-season varieties or both. I.E. 90 cm x 23 cm, 90 cm x 20 cm or 30 cm. Weed control. Done using any of the following methods. I. Use of herbicides. 2. Hand pulling. 3. Biological method and 4. Cultural method.